Welcome back. In this session, we'll be touching upon reporting accidents, particularly if there's an injury to any person or any property damage. If there's an accident, you are required to report it to the FAA within 10 days if there's a serious injury or any loss of consciousness, or if there's any property damage which exceeds $500. You need to report an accident if there's any serious injury to a person or any loss of consciousness, and it's further defined as follows: a level 3 or higher on the abbreviated injury scale. And here are a few examples. A serious injury if a person requires hospitalization, if there's head trauma, broken bones, or lacerations to the skin that require suturing. So the reporting threshold is $500, whether it's to repair or replace the property, whichever is lower. And that's the key phrase, whichever is lower. So here are some examples. If both repair and replace exceed $500, then you must report it. If at least one of the two are below $500, then no need to report.